In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your photos on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First I need to open up Photos and get into Library. And here I need to find some photo that I wanna hide. Let it be this photo, for example. And then I click on the share icon here at the bottom left. Then I scroll down a little and I see here the hide option. When I tap on it, this pop-up window asks me if I really want to hide this photo. I type on hide photo, and now this photo is hidden. I can go back and check that photo disappeared from the library. So where I can find it? To find this photo, I need to go to albums, scroll down to the very bottom, and here I see hidden feature, and when I tap on it I can see all the hidden photos of my library. And if I want to unhide the photos, I can tap on it, tap on share icon again, scroll down, and at the same place I can see unhide option, tap here, and now this photo is unhide, and we can check it. We go to library and here it is. This photo is now hidden. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.